I also tell you this. When Mrs. Justice Maiduguri was the chairman of the body of benchers, she wrote me a letter as the Minister of FCT. We have a problem. The road to the body of benchers, the lights are not there. Can you help? As a lawyer, as a law bencher, have an opportunity to help my profession to grow. And I said, look, go and do the road. Go and do this. That also means you want to...
I think we have a federal perspective now.
Okay, no, but you know, if I could just chip in, Honorable Minister, part of the narratives out there, as my colleagues have highlighted, it's not that there's anything wrong with judges owning houses. I mean, they deserve much more than that. But to find or see judges coming in front of everybody, maybe associating with litigants, it's not good optics. They say, in fact, this is usurpation of the role and responsibility of the NJC. That they don't have, it doesn't have to be politicians doing that for the judges specifically. Why can't the NJC handle it?
Who approves money for the NJC?
That's different.
No, hold on. Let us start from somewhere. Why would the politicians approve the money for you? You see, we try to chase shadows. If I build, I can influence. But if I will appropriate money, I cannot influence. Who tells you that? Who appropriates money for NJC?
Who passes the budget?
Yes.
It's their responsibility.
No, I'm coming. If NJC wants 20 billion to build houses, and National Assembly says, no, we'll give you 1 billion, for example, and what happens? So you think that by the National Assembly appropriating this, they have no influence? Or they cannot have influence? Why do we chase shadows all over the world? Even before now, under the military, houses were built by the executive for the judiciary. But for different government policies, where these houses have been sold, and that has now made the judges to be now stay where you cannot even guarantee their security.
Okay.
Are you now saying today that because as governor of Rivers State, we built for judges, I'm no longer governor. Therefore, I have bought over all the judges. I mean, what kind of, I mean, as a country, I mean, you tell me.